Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best floor lamps with shelves that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 2, we have the Gupsum Floor Lamp with Shelves, a stylish and practical piece that combines storage and lighting into one sleek package. This lamp features a modern square design with 3 spacious shelves made from high-density fiberboard. Each shelf can hold over 50 pounds, making it ideal for displaying books, plants, or daily essentials. The lamp includes an energy-saving LED bulb with 3 color temperature options: 3000K, warm, 4500K, natural, and 6500K, white, allowing you to customize the lighting to suit your mood or activity. The fabric lampshade softens the light beautifully, creating a cozy and eye-friendly atmosphere. The Gupsum lamp stands at 63 inches tall and is lightweight, weighing just over 8 pounds. Its compact design makes it perfect for small spaces or corners, and the black finish adds a touch of sophistication to any room. Assembly is quick and hassle-free, with the package including all necessary tools and a detailed instruction manual. The lamp's zipper-style switch is easy to use, though it may lack the modern appeal of touch or remote controls. On the downside, the smaller shelf dimensions may not accommodate larger items, and the lighter fabric shade might require occasional cleaning. However, the Gupsum floor lamp excels in offering a balanced combination of style, functionality, and affordability, making it a top choice for apartments, bedrooms, or offices where space is at a premium. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Pessray floor lamp with table, an all-in-one solution that combines lighting, storage, and charging capabilities into a single, stylish piece. What truly sets this lamp apart is its built-in charging station, featuring USB, Type-C, and AC ports. Whether you need to charge your phone, tablet, or Bluetooth headphones while relaxing, this lamp has you covered. The 3-layer board design offers plenty of space for books, magazines, coffee cups, or decorative items, making it a perfect fit for bedrooms, living rooms, or craft rooms. The adjustable LED bulb provides 3 color temperatures: 3000 Kelvin, 4500 Kelvin, and 6500 Kelvin, giving you the flexibility to create the ideal ambiance. The Pessray lamp is built with durability in mind, featuring a natural wood construction and adjustable foot pads for stability. Its waterproof and scratch-resistant surface ensures longevity. While the beige linen lampshade diffuses light beautifully, adding a warm and inviting touch to your space. Assembly is a breeze, with clear instructions and video guides to help you set up the lamp in minutes. Additionally, the rotatable lampshade allows you to direct light exactly where you need it, adding another layer of functionality. While the Pessray floor lamp excels in versatility and design, its heavier weight of 12 pounds might make it less portable. And the rustic brown finish may not suit all modern interiors. However, for those seeking a multifunctional lamp that combines storage, lighting, and charging capabilities, the Pessray floor lamp is an unbeatable choice. Ideal for tech-savvy users and anyone looking to declutter their space while enjoying customizable lighting.